In today's video, we are addressing a question many parents and students face at some point in their academic journey. Should my child follow the Sri Lankan syllabus or choose the London syllabus? Welcome to Serendip Tutor. In today's video, I will give you a complete and structured comparison of both systems. Who has been teaching London advanced level for over 14 years under Pearson Edexcel and Cambridge, and as someone who has personally studied under the Sri Lankan national syllabus, I have experienced both systems from different perspectives. This video is not about promoting one system over the other. It is about helping you make an informed and strategic decision. First, let us understand the two systems. The Sri Lankan syllabus is the national curriculum regulated by the Ministry of Education. The advanced level exam is the main pathway to state universities in Sri Lanka. It is highly competitive and academically demanding. On the other hand, the London system includes international qualifications such as Pearson Edexcel and Cambridge. These A level qualifications are recognized by universities all around the world. Second, let us look at the learning focus, theory versus application. The Sri Lankan syllabus is strong in theory. It focuses on deep subject knowledge and mastery of core concepts. Students are trained to write structured answers and recall information accurately. The London syllabus focuses more on application. Students learn how to use knowledge in real world contexts. There is a strong focus on case studies, data interpretation, and analysis. It also develops critical thinking and evaluation skills. Third, the financial reality, costs and opportunities. The Sri Lankan education system is free. Exams are free. The students receive free notes. If a student performs well at A levels, they can enter a state university and complete a degree at no cost. Many students also combine this with professional qualifications such as CIMA or CIM. This allows them to graduate with both academic and professional credentials at a low cost. In contrast, the London syllabus is expensive. Students pay for each and every exam paper. Textbooks and resources are costly. School fees and tuition fees also add to the total cost. So, financially, there is a significant difference between the two systems. Fourth, pacing and pressure, exams and timelines. The Sri Lankan advanced level follows a linear system. Students prepare for one major final exam after about 2.5 years of study. If they want to improve their results, they usually have to repeat the entire examination. However, this system can actually benefit certain students. For example, students who are heavily involved in demanding sports like rugby or cricket. They can focus on sports during the first 2 years and shift their full attention to studies in their final year. In contrast, the London syllabus follows a modular system. Students complete their studies unit by unit. They can sit for exams in January, June, or October. This provides greater flexibility and allows students to focus on one section at a time. Students also have the option to resit specific units to improve their grades without repeating anything. When it comes to timelines, London students often complete their A levels earlier. This allows them to enter university at a younger age. On the other hand, Sri Lankan students usually enter university later. This is mainly due to the structure of the exam system and the high level of competition. Finally, how do you make the right decision? Here is a simple framework. Think about your goals. Do you want a local university or an international pathway? Think about your learning styles. Do you prefer strong theory or applied learning? Think about your financial capacity and your timeline along with flexibility needs. Let me summarize the key factors: financial capacity, university destination, learning preference, exam structure, and long term career goals. Both systems are academically strong. The Sri Lankan system offers affordability and access to state funded degrees. The London syllabus offers flexibility, global recognition, and a more application based approach. There is no universally better option. The best choice depends on your individual goals and strategy. Thank you for watching Serendip Tutor. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who is facing this decision and subscribe for more educational insights.